Everyone knows DevOps. But now, top companies are asking for something else. They're hiring platform engineers. But what is platform engineering? Why is it suddenly trending? And is it the next step in your career? Let's break it down with the truth. DevOps was born to remove the wall between developers and operations. It worked. But something else happened. Every DevOps team started building the same CI/CD pipelines, the same scripts, the same monitoring dashboards, again and again. That's when companies realized, we need a team that builds on the tools for DevOps teams. That's platform engineering. Imagine you're in a company with 20 developer teams. Each team needs CI/CD pipeline, secrets vault monitoring dashboard, access control sandbox environments. Now, imagine every team setting this up from scratch. That's chaos. That's wasted time. Platform engineering solves this. They build the internal tools that developers and DevOps teams reuse. They create shared Terraform modules, shared Helm charts, internal web portals, custom CLI tools, standardized pipelines, single-click environment creation, secrets rotation workflows, self-service dashboards. In simple words, DevOps teams build and deploy. Platform teams build what DevOps uses to build and deploy. Let's look at a real-world example. A product team needs a new environment for testing. Without platform engineering, they raise a ticket. Wait 3 days. Someone manually provisions the infrastructure. They test, they find a bug. They raise another ticket. With platform engineering, there's a web dashboard. They click a button. A sandbox is created automatically. Secrets injected. Pipelines ready. Observability configured. That's the power of platform engineering. Now let's go deeper. What tools do platform engineers use? Terraform for infra as code Helm to manage Kubernetes. Apps Customize for YAML customization. Backstage for internal developer portals. Vault for secrets management. Python, Go or Bash to write automation scripts. GitHub Actions or Azure pipelines to build reusable CI/CD logic Argo CD for GitOps and more. But here's the catch. Platform engineering is not just about tools. It's thinking like a product team, because your user is not the end customer. Your user is an engineer. You're building for builders. Now the big question. Can a fresher become a platform engineer? Let's be honest. It's hard. This is a high responsibility role. You need to understand DevOps, cloud, security, and developer pain points. But here's the truth. If you master DevOps tools, if you automate your own pipelines, if you think beyond tasks, if you learn why teams struggle, you can grow into this role in 1 to 2 years. Start with CI/CD and infrastructure. Then move into building reusable modules. Then the internal portals. Soon you're no longer just deploying code. You're building the engine that lets teams deploy at scale. And that's exactly why platform engineering is the future. In the next 5 years, that every company that scaled DevOps will hit a wall. They'll face pipeline mess, secret leaks, infra drift, and inconsistent observability. They'll need a platform. And they'll need engineers who think like this, not how to fix this bug, but how do we make sure no one hits this bug again? That's a platform mindset. That's your future. This is Infinity iTech. We show you the truth behind every role, every tool, every buzzword. Subscribe now. Next video. What happens after you click deploy and why 80% of DevOps teams fail right after that moment.